Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alhamdulillah, this is Shayan Welfare Aid here today on ground. Today, Alhamdulillah, this is our 10th Iftar 2025. We thank Allah for reaching us here today. Alhamdulillah, we take this opportunity to thank our dear sisters from Germany, Sister Lenja Karim and Sister Honja Karim, for giving us a hand on our Iftar daily feeding program. Alhamdulillah, may Allah accept this sadaqah. May Allah continue providing for you and your family. May Allah accept this sadaqah and this sadaqah to be the reason for you to enter Jannah. May Allah give you everything you need. Barakallahu feekum.